the easiest way to get an S10 starter out, especially the bolt right here, since the control arm is in the way of getting it out comfortably. Easiest way is to place the jack underneath the transmission pan, put a board in between it that you even the weight out, and then take this 15mm nut off and then jack the rear transmission mount up out of place, and then you can easily get your swivel up in place on it. And since you raised it up right here and the engine mount or tranny mount is pulled out of there, and you raised it up here, you're able to have room to get to the bolt that goes right above this upper control arm or lower control arm bracket, and you're also able to have room to pull the starter down from here, and don't worry about getting to the bolts until you drop it down right here, so that it's even easier. You can see the starter's dangling downwards, and I'm able to get to the wires from here. As you can see, we got the old one out, new one's about to go in, new starter's hooked up. Hook the wires first, it makes your life easier. Now just slide it back up in there. Now a very important part is you want to get the bolt closest to the bell housing in first before this one, and before you mount it up, so that this doesn't get in the way. I have got it installed. Make sure yours doesn't have shims or anything, mine did not. And now we're ready to lower the transmission back down.